May the name of the Lord be blessed. Culture, Diversity and Identities Workshop, which was organized by the International Movement of Catholic Students Asia Pacific, was the first international program which I participated in my life. Therefore, it was a new experience to me to share my ideas with the people of other countries. Within that workshop, we talk about types of diversity, culture and identities, challenges to diversity, sustainable development goals, different cultures in different countries, and many more things. I found many values of the countries which can be seen in some Asian countries like China, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Philippines, and so on. I thank the organizing committee of this workshop for giving me the opportunity to share my ideas with others who belong to different countries about my culture. Finally, I wish all the very best and pray for all the activities which are going to be organized by IMCS Asia Pacific Community in future. God bless you.